Hi viewers, welcome to my online lesson. In this video, I'm going to teach you the rules and regulations guiding the volumetric analysis in chemistry practical exam. There are a lot of mistakes that students do make while completing their volumetric analysis table, that's titration table. Now, the common mistakes that students do make, and sometimes they will be happy that they have written practical exam, not knowing that they've done they've done a lot of things that could make them not to score good mark in their exam. Now, what are those mistakes? For example, if let's say your average total value, average total value, as after your titration is let's say 24.50 cm3. If this is the value your school is sending to WAEC, so anything you are getting at the end of your own titration value should be within plus or minus 0.2. For example, if this is what your school is sending to WAEC and you get 24 points, add 2 to this, 0.2 to this, you have 70 cm3. This is 3 marks. Also, if your own is minus, let's say you have 24.20 cm3, it is still 3 marks. You get it? Now, if your own is now plus or minus 0.3, that is 2 marks. Example, you have 24.80 cm3 or minus it 24.20 cm3. This is just 2 marks. That means you have lose 1 mark for it. Now, the last on that is, or let me say the second to the last is when your own is plus or minus 4. Let's say you have, 0.4. That is just 1 mark. Now let's say your own now will be 24.90 cm3 or 24.10 cm3. So you are going to score 1 mark for it. Imagine all the stress you pass through in your practical exam. At the end of the day, you score 1 mark for each. 1 mark for it because you didn't obey the instruction. Lastly, you can end up scoring 0 despite the fact that you have this as what your school is sending to WAEC, and your own is now more than 0.4. Let's say your own is 24 points. Let's say 25.00, or your own is 24.00. That is 0 mark because this is more than 0.4. So you are going to score 0. No mark for you. No mark for you. So which means that by the time you are plotting or you are completing your table, you must be very careful of how you complete your table in such a way that you are going to arrive at the correct answer that will make you not to lose marks. You get it? So now, let's assume you have a table. You have a table like this. You have a table like this. This is your burette reading. Burette reading is CMQ. This is your rough. If you have rough. This is your first value and this is your second value. Isn't it? You have your final reading here. You have your initial and you have your average or volume of acid use. You have your volume of acid use here. Now, if this is your starting point 0.00, let's assume this is what your school is using or what we have measured and sent to WAEC, and you want your own reading to be within these points. You want it to be within these points. You understand? Or let's say for plus or minus 2, plus or minus 0.2. So you may make your own reading. Now, if you have gotten just one values, you can use it all over. I want to use this as my rough. My rough now will be 24. I may use the same thing, 24.50 as my rough. Now, if I want to start again, I may use 0.0 or start from there. If it's 0.0, I may now read it to become 24.30. It is still within the range. I'm going to score my 3 marks. So that if there is also 0.00, I may also make this one to become 24.30. Then this minus this will give me 24.50. This minus this will give me 24.30. 24.30. Now, in my next episode of this lesson, I'm going to show you the reason why some students do have problems in computing this table in WAEC, writing with pencil, or changing pencil to pen, or alteration in the table. What are the penalties? And what are the deduction of mark WAEC has concluded and NECO on it, that whenever you make any alteration or changing of pencil to pen, or writing in pencil in the table, what will be the penalty for such students? In our next lesson, I'm going to make a video on that. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.